folks, and welcome to our presentation on what the difference is between obstructive and restrictive lung disease. My name is Chris Carr, and I'm very grateful to be here with you today. Well, to let you know, obstructive disease is most characterized, commonly known as COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Many people have this because of smoking too much. And what happens is that you actually have the ability, you gain the ability to inhale more oxygen than what normal people would, usually about 125% of what you normally could breathe in is 100%, so 25% more. But what happens is you have so much air that's trapped in, and we call this residual volume. So you cannot exhale that much air, especially in our FEV1, forced expiratory volume in 1 second. The total amount of air that we exhale in 1 second is not that much. It needs to be about 70 to 80% of our total oxygen, carbon dioxide, inside ourselves. We need to be able to exhale that in the first second to be known as a normal functioning human being with normal breathing pattern. But a person with COPD cannot do that. They cannot exhale that much. They have a lot of air trapped inside. Now, a person with restrictive lung disease breathes just like a normal person. The only thing is they can't inhale barely any oxygen. They can't inhale that much, like anywhere between 50 to 75%, as much as someone can normally inhale. So that's why it's called restrictive, because your airflow is restricted on how much you can inhale. Everything else is the same though for them. They exhale the total amount of air just like a normal person normally would. Okay, I have here a little graph that you may see. Especially if you're doing spirometry or something like that, you see here that this is a normal breathing person they're inhaling right here and they're exhaling. Boom, it goes like that. Now, a person marked with COPD, look at this. You see it goes all the way up even higher, but then it sinks very quickly because they can't exhale. They can't exhale all that air stuck in themselves called residual volume. Okay? So, and then a person with restrictive lung disease cannot inhale that much air, okay? But the slope is the same as a normal person. Some other tests that a person with obstructive disease could not do that well is your maximum voluntary ventilation. That's usually taken in 15 seconds, and it's the total amount of air that you can inhale and exhale in 1 minute. And then they would just simply multiply that figure times 4 when they take it for 15 seconds. All right? So, if you have any further questions, keep studying and check out some more of our videos. And again, do great, have fun, and exercise, and stay away from smoking, and do all that you can do. Yeah!